don't even know where I would be without them because they, like I said, they helped me out financially greatly. My child's father didn't do too much, and so I had to basically struggle on my own, and they were there. They helped out with the child care, and like I said, the support. I mean, without that support there, you know, backing me up, I really don't even know if I would have finished school, because I had a lot of people, you know, telling me that I wouldn't be able to do it, a lot of negative feedback from people, but they were there to actually offer the positive feedback that I needed.
The WACS program was a great organization. It helped me with childcare while I was finishing college. It actually helped me during my student teaching so that I was able to student teach every day and my children had somewhere to go. I didn't have to pay anything. All I did was contribute back to the community by giving an hour of community service for every $100 that they spent on me.
Before WACS, I always wanted to go back to school and get a degree and so I can have a better life, but I wasn't financially capable to coming back. So now that WACS is paying for my daycare, I'm back in school to get my BSN in nursing, and it's just a amazing help.
It's not only the emotional support that you get from, you know, Tracy and the different ones. It's a group of girls that are going through the same thing, so you know you're not alone. You know, when you have those all-nighters when you're studying and the babies are crying and you're struggling to get a C on a paper and just at your wit's end, your house is a mess, you have somebody to talk to, you know, and somebody else is also going through the same thing.
When we have a student here, the student needs to concentrate on her studies. And if there's worry, concern, can't get child care, then that student's likely going to miss class or be late to class or be distracted. So it's essential in anything we do that we want to do well to be able to focus. So in terms of having that need taken care of so a student can focus, it means the student can come and stay enrolled and not drop out. And that's important not just to the college but the community long term.
Hello, I'm Senator Lindsey Graham, and I'd like to take this opportunity to recognize the good works of Women and Children Succeeding. This faith-based organization is providing child care to women who are trying to get out of poverty into the workforce. It is a stellar organization with a very admirable mission, and that is to free women from poverty. This faith-based organization's come up with an ideal solution to what is a real problem facing South Carolina.
For the last 13 years, we've been working with this program. We have developed our own best practices. We've looked for other programs similar to this around the country and have not been able to find any. We know it works. 13 years, we've had 67 successfully complete this program. We've got 8 school teachers, we've got 22 nurses, 12 other women in the medical field, 17 in the business field. We know it works. And it's our best kept secret, and we don't want it to be. We want to be able to spread this idea, to replicate this program, not only in the upstate and across South Carolina, which desperately needs it, with women living in poverty in this state and ranking in the top 10, but why not spread this across the country? That's our dream, is to help other groups to start programs like this, to empower women to break that cycle of poverty and get their education.
You get to play and you get to do all this fun stuff. You get to go play with your friends, and most of the time you get to eat pizza. I go outside and play with my sister.
Go downstairs, play kickball. It's really blue